Darko. Welcome. Today I want to share with you knowledge of the truth. Knowledge of the truth. Please share the channel with your friends, with your family, with the people you think will be interested in what we share. Sometimes you get people who will trick you, who will deceive you for their gain. And they may think that they are very smart, they are intelligent. No. If you have to trick somebody to get money, if you have to trick somebody to get advantage of them, and think that you're powerful, no, you are deceived in terms of the knowledge of the truth. So if you use fear to trick people, to deceive people, if you use tricks, if you use power and word to dominate others, you are unaware of knowledge of the truth, because the truth will always liberate. The truth brings freedom. The truth does not bring destruction. The truth does not bring fear. The truth does not destroy life. They say that truth is one. So knowledge of this concept will save you from a lot of pain. In knowledge of the truth. Truth does not fail. It's like you seeing a very big rock. The only thing, if you go against that rock, the only thing that will destroy you is yourself. So you don't go against the truth. Most people think that they can do anything against the truth. And Paul said something, said that we can only do bad for the truth. We can do anything against the truth but the truth. So the truth works at all time. It works everywhere, anytime. Anybody who picks the truth will get the same results. Most people tell you that, well, I have this magic, and they cannot apply it everywhere. That may not necessarily be the truth. And the farther that you are from the truth, the more destructive and the more unhappy you become, and you fail eventually. So the truth about family, about business, about technology, about country, about people, that truth is the one bringing you the eternal results that you're looking for. And it brings fulfillment. It brings joy. If you apply the truth and you get results, there is direct benefit to your health and to your peace. The truth in life that you find. Truth, you cannot separate truth from wisdom. You cannot separate truth from knowledge. You cannot separate truth from love, from peace, from faith, from purpose. The knowledge of truth. The knowledge of truth. It's the people you call. Most people, the truth has been hidden from them. So they think that the truth is subjective. Truth is consistent. It's always reliable. You can predict a lot of things once you have the truth. You know the end from the beginning because it's the truth. So all your life, what you're looking for is this the way of truth? Truth is precise. It's precise. It's precise. There is nothing that you can do against the truth. It's like mathematical formulas. If it's 1 plus 1 is 2. If it's x1 plus x2 is equal to this, you put the figures there, the result is exact. If you have to measure it to be 10 meters, it's 10 meters. It's not opinion. It's not subjected to debate. It's the truth. We all can agree that this is 2 cedi. We put it here and this 2 cedi. So there are principles that men have discovered that work everywhere. Like principles of gravity, for instance, laws of aerodynamics laws, thermodynamics laws, scientific laws. They are all ways of the truth in this life. And so when you are looking at finding something to work, look at how is the truth. What is the truth in this? If the thing is not working, go and look for the truth in that. If the marriage is not working, if the business is not working, if the finances is not working, if the health is not working, if the country is not developing as we expect it to develop, if anything is not working, do we know the truth in that? Have you found out the truth in that? Because the moment you find the truth and you practice that truth, you will get the results that anybody else had. So the way of the truth is key. So the substance that you're looking for all your life is the truth. Is this the way of the truth? If you can't find it, you deviate. So all that you're looking for is this. What you know, the very things that you know, are they the truth? Is that the Europeans came here and they tried to trick us and deceive us and lie to us and told us all kind of things. Eventually, the truth will come out. You can never hide the truth forever. The truth that you know will set you free. The truth that you know and practice will set you free. So somebody can only keep you in bondage so long as they keep the truth from you. But the truth cannot be hidden forever. So the knowledge of the truth. If you're frustrated with your life, if something that you're not happy with, if you are in pain, find the truth. What is the truth in this? Am I close to the truth? Am I in the proximity of the truth? Or I'm far from the radius of the truth? Because the farther you are from the radius of the truth, nothing can satisfy but the truth. Not material things. That's why you can see billionaires who kill themselves, because they were far from the reality of life, which is the truth. They were far from the meaning of life. So I want to share with you today, I shared with you today the knowledge of the truth. In all your search for the knowledge of the truth in anything that you do, whether it's business, whether it's finance, whether it's marriage, whether it's raising your children, whether those of our Africans building our country. Let's search for the knowledge of the truth of our history, of our heritage, of our ancestry, of our people. You know, nothing will preserve you more than love expressed through the truth. Through the truth. So I want to say thank you very much.